Here is a 1985 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. This very nice and original Corvette has been well maintained over the years and owned by a caring and responsible adult driver. Powered by a 350 CID V8 and automatic transmission with overdrive, it has features such as power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning, leather seats, glass top, tilt wheel, power locks, AM/FM stereo, and power seats. Recent repairs include a new complete front end, tires, brakes, tune-up, AC charge, new exhaust, and new starter. Plus, it passed an emission test. It had minor cosmetic damage on the Carfax, but this Corvette is well worth a look. Come see this Chevrolet Corvette Coupe today.
We're conveniently located at 241 Boston Road in Milford, Connecticut, or online 24/7 at napoliclassics.com.